KingdomAnimation presents
Tortoise and the Bird. Once upon a time, a tortoise was resting under a tree, on which a bird had built its nest. The tortoise mocked the bird and said, "Ew, your home is so shabby. It is made of broken twigs, has no roof, and looks raw. What's worse is that you had to build it yourself." I think my house, which is my shell, is much better than your pathetic nest. The bird therefore confidently replied, "Yes, it's made of broken sticks, looks shabby, and is open to the elements of nature. It is crude and raw, but I built it and I like it. I guess it's just like any other nest, but not better than mine." You must be jealous of my shell, though. The bird remained calm for a while and then replied, "On the contrary, my home has space for my family and friends, whereas your shell does not let anyone else stay in it other than you. You may have a better house, but I have a better home." Hence, the moral of this story is, a crowded hut is better than a lonely kingdom. I hope you liked the story. Do not forget to hit the like button and do share it with your friends. Thank you and see you soon with a new story.